Ayan, recording.
Kay Maingay, isusurprise ko yung mag-ina ko si Mrs. Deborah Arambro sa si Jel Arambro. Birthday ngayon, isusurprise ko sila. Just wait and see. Look at how it unfolds. Surprise! This song is lovely dedicated as a surprise for my daughter and my wife. Happy birthday to you.
Lapit ka konti, bro. Lapit ka konti sa kanila para ano. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Sarili version.
Oh!